to ask ourselves, are we also transferring the benefits of reduced costs to our customers, even as the private sector? Just as much as we are saying we need to take on the challenge of whether our institutions, our parastatals are managed effectively, are you in the private sector also transferring the benefits of reduced costs to your customers, or are you just adding that to your bottom line? And I think it's an important question that you need to address yourself too, because if we're not going to be globally competitive, if you're just going to fatten your bottom line, hey, we live in a globalized world. People will buy their products from other countries. So we need to start saying, are Kenyans buying goods from China? Why are they? Why are they not buying your goods? Maybe you need to address yourselves to that particular question. We need to be globally competitive. You can fatten your bottom line today, but tomorrow you'll be out of business. And if you're out of business, those are Kenyans who are out of jobs. So I think everybody has a responsibility to play their part in this game. The government has a responsibility, the private sector has a responsibility. We all have a responsibility to play our part in order to make sure that Kenya truly is globally competitive. So I think these are some of the challenges that we all have to ask ourselves, and this is what I hope at the end of this particular session we will be able to get clear answers together so that we can walk together in this particular march and see how we can make our country better for all. We want greater access, which results in greater equity, which is something that we all promised ourselves as Kenyans, and I think we're in the process of achieving that. We want competitiveness because we are not an island, we are living in an environment of competition. So we have to understand that and appreciate how are we going to do that, because that is part of positioning ourselves as a country. And this is not going to be a government initiative alone. We must work together. So really mine is just to encourage this debate, encourage this dialogue, and hopefully that whatever comes out of this engagement will be translated to benefits and prosperity for 40 million Kenyans. So I just decided, because I can't continue, I have another meeting. So as you continue, these are just some of the questions that you need to address yourselves to, and I'm very keen to see what the results of this are going to be, and hopefully we shall be able to do even better as a result of the engagement that we're having here. So I think mimi nimetosha. Kater, mkutano ni yako bana, endelea.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I will now relieve the whole panel apart from Alai. Alai, you'll remain on that seat, but the rest of us will come. And while we watch a short clip played on our screens.